Welcome to the low mid-budget watch report, and today I'm going to unbox the Specht Sohne Genève. It's a Japanese brand, I believe, and they make Patek Philippe Aquanaut look-alike watches. At least the watches I looked on AliExpress. And this is the box. It's kind of a basic paper box that says Specht and Sohne. And the watch is on a white pillow like this. It's a very comfortable pillow for a watch, and it comes with a Specht and Sohne guarantee card. It also comes with spring tools and 2 extra springs for adjusting the rubber strap. The rubber strap, as I figured it out, you'll have to cut it the way you want it and then put it beneath the springs. You have to unspring it and then cut the rubber band and then put it back and put in the watch springs. Kind of simple clasp like this. Still some plastic on it, but it's a very simple clasp. I don't know if it's same as the original, but I think so, because this watch looks very much like a Patek Philippe Aquanaut Chronograph. It's very similar, and it's almost the same measure as the Patek Philippe. Patek Philippe is 42 millimeters and this is like 41.5. I don't know why they made this look alike, but I guess it sells to the kind of people that want to have a Patek Philippe look alike with the Specht and Sohne logotype on it. I don't know what the Japanese company got their name Specht and Sohne from. Guess it's some kind of inside joke maybe. But this is a very nice look-alike for $50. And the original Patek Philippe costs about $250, between $250 and $300. Excuse me, $250,000 and $300,000. It's a very expensive watch, and this is only $50. The thickness on this Patek Philippe look-alike are actually less thick than the original watch, that is 11.9 millimeters, and this is only 11.5 millimeters thick. It's quartz movement, of course. This is not a expensive watch. I wouldn't dive with this watch. Maybe I'll do dishes and walk in the rain with this watch, but I don't even know if you can swim with this watch. It says 30 meters. I wouldn't try it. I wouldn't take a deep dive with this watch, at least. Yeah, it's very clean. It's very clean on the inside. It's very professional. I think the Specht and Sohne would be an actual good, fine watch company if they made only cheap watches without trying to be some kind of lookalikes. It's a $50 watch, so keep this in mind when it looks almost the same as the $300,000 watch. Or a $250,000 watch, I don't know. Quite a good look-alike. Overall, the watch feels very authentic and feels good on the wrist. The rubber is kind of soft, And the clasp is it's okay. Yeah, about the box. I said it was made out of paper, but now when I closed it once, it sounded like this. I don't know. It's like some tin wood. That yeah. Never experienced these type of boxes before. Overall, this is a $50 watch. I would give this watch 6.5 out of 10 for the price of $50. Because it's very well made lookalike. I hate lookalikes, but this is very well made for a very low budget. Why would a simple man like me buy a watch for $250,000 or $300,000? That's insane. That is an insane amount of money for a watch with a rubber strap. Crazy. That's crazy people's watches. Crazy people watches. Yes. But maybe if you're a billionaire, you don't care. And this is how the watch look up close, and as you can see, it's very similar to the Patek Philippe, but obviously it's quartz movement. It's kind of crazy because you have to cut the straps to resize the watch, and this is kind of stupid if you're going to sell the watch to someone with bigger wrists. I guess that's impossible. There is unfortunately no lume, so you can't see anything in the dark. That's all.